G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alright, another freezing cold day here in the river town. It is so cold. So of course, perfect excuse to do some baking. Okay, we're going to make one of my favourite bickys today, pecan bickys. Now they're really easy to make and they're really moreish. I found a pack of pecans in the cupboard that I must have got at Christmas time. I didn't use them, so I'm like cheering. First thing we need to do is preheat our ovens to 180 degrees Celsius. Grab our baking tray with some baking paper. Now we need 1/3 of a cup of pecans and we want to chop them up really small. Once we've done that, we're also going to need roughly 3/4 of a cup of pecans to put on top. I will write the recipe below in the description as always. Now into a bowl we want to chop 60 grams of butter and chop it nice and small because it makes it really easy to beat. Now we want to add 1/4 of a cup of icing sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence. Now with an electric beater we want to beat it on low until it's smooth. Alright, here's a word to the wise. Beat it in a lot smaller bowl. That was a nightmare. Now we want to add 1/2 cup of plain flour and our finely chopped nuts, and then we just want to mix it through really well. Alright, now we've got it into one lump of dough. We want to get 1 level teaspoons, dig it out, roll it into a little ball like so, and put them on our baking tray. We want to put them 3 centimeters apart. As you can tell, I couldn't make up my mind what was 3 centimeters. Alright, now we get our pecans and we just sit them on the top and just push them in a little bit. Oh, even in view for that one. Alright, so we sit them on top and then just a little bit, push them down. Oh, how cute! Alright, once our oven is hot enough, bang them in there. 14 minutes later in my electric oven. Oh, now, I remember them being a little bit flatter. So what I have done, don't forget I haven't done these in a while, is the next lot I put in, I have pushed them right down to almost near the bottom. Alright, we'll see how we go. Now you can't pick them up yet when they're hot, you need them to cool on the tray. Now if you need the bench for something, take them wherever you want. Just grab the paper and then slide the paper out. I'll do it anyway. Like so. And then just leave them out on your bench somewhere. Oh mate, have I told you how good they smell? Okay, this flattened lot took 11 minutes in my electric oven. And that is exactly how they're supposed to look, a lot flatter. So definitely squash them out, 11 minutes. Now electric ovens do burn a lot quicker, hotter. So if you're in a gas, it might take an extra minute or two. Just when they're nice and browned around the edges like that and you can smell them, oh, they're ready. Alright, now we're going to leave them there until they're completely cold. Right, so definitely flatten them down. They're perfect flattened down and cooked beautifully. Even the ones that weren't flattened down are still amazing. Alright, now that they're completely cold, we want to grab our icing sugar and a little sifter. Alrighty, a little bit of icing sugar in our strainer or sifter thingy or sieve or whatever you want to call it. Alright, and tappity tap tap. Now, if you want to make a boatload of them, you could double or triple the recipe. You don't have to use pecans either. You can use walnuts, just do the exact same thing, chop them really small, 1/3 of a cup, and then put 1/2 a walnut on top. And you can also do it with blanched almonds. Do your 1/3 of a cup really small, and then 1 blanched almond on each one. They're also beautiful too. So if you wanted to do a bulk lot, because this lot will just go straight away if you've got a family, you would get a tin, you know, like an old chocolate tin or an old biscuit tin, and put a little bit of baking paper in the bottom, and then put them all in there, and you can store them in the cupboard like that. Perfect. There you go, lovelies. A really easy bicky and absolutely moreish. I cannot wait until you give them a crack. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome evening, and I'll see you all on Friday. Toodles!